Rocky, oh my god. See my guy got back for the ting in the grind don't stop, so you see this dough. I told bro just slap in reverse with a petrol can and burn them clothes. A9 got caught with a grub on my, so he's looking like 2D1. And I pray on my life for the ride in front of the chicks, so the whole thing's done. Big up my chocolate darling. She say that she lost the plot. Doing up Gucci gang with the nails on feet, she wakes up pop. My bro just reading her am. Take that to the OT spot. Like was 15, we had the whole 9 block looking like Wizard of Oz. See, back the beat, we got top G. 9 side, we're on top B. Becky come and then stop me. And Keisha man, cause she's on C. Back the beat, we get top G. 9 side, we're on top B. Becky come and then stop me. And pull up and dump off. Piss off your waist and jump off. Free up that